Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super cool looking cotton candy ice cream sundae slime. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers and I cannot believe it. So to make the slime you're going to need to pour some regular school glue into a bowl along with 5 pumps of foaming hand soap and a little bit of lotion. Once you have done that, mix up all of your ingredients. After that, I'm going to dye my slime this pretty pink color using some gel food coloring. Next up, I'm going to scent my slime. I did not have any scents that matched with the theme of the slime, but I did have this cucumber melon scent, which I really love, so I just decided to scent my slime cucumber melon. For this next step, you're going to need some dry instant snow powder. Instant snow powder is a type of snow that you add water to and it'll expand. You're going to want to add about a tablespoon of the instant snow powder into the glue and you're going to want to mix it all together. And no, you don't need to add any water to the instant snow powder in this step. You're just going to add the plain instant snow powder into the glue mixture. As you can see, the more that I stir the glue around, the more it becomes clumpy because the instant snow is expanding in the glue. And I felt like the slime did not have enough instant snow in it, so I went ahead and added a little bit of the instant snow powder and I mixed it around all together again. As you can see, it becomes even more clumpy, which is exactly what we want. Just make sure not to make it too clumpy. Now I'm going to go and activate my slime. I have my slime activator inside this little squeeze bottle so that it could be easier to activate my slime. I'm just going to add a little bit of activator at a time and stir the slime around. Just make sure not to over-activate your slime, and activating this slime may be a little bit harder than most slimes just because it has the instant snow powder in it, but once you see that your slime has formed a clump, then you could go ahead and get your slime and start kneading it. After I finished kneading my slime, I added a little bit more food coloring into my slime because I wanted it to be more of a cotton candy pink color, just like this one. So this slime is actually going to turn out to be a cloud slime, but as you can see, it does not have the greatest drizzles right now. We're going to fix that by adding a little bit of the instant snow powder into the slime without adding any water, and we're just going to incorporate it into the slime. If you feel like your cloud slime does not have the drizzles that you would like, go ahead and incorporate a little bit more of the instant snow powder into your slime until you reach the drizzles that you would like. As you can see, I also made a cotton candy blue colored cloud slime. I love these cloud slimes so much. They are so drizzly, they are so creamy and so soft, and they are honestly just so good. So now we're going to start to create our cotton candy inspired ice cream sundae slime. To make the whipped cream topping, I just got some white air dry clay, I rolled it out and I started to swirl it together just like so. To make 2 lollipops out of clay, I'm going to take some pink, blue, and purple air dry clay. I'm going to smush the clays together and I'm going to start rolling it out. While I'm rolling out the clay, I'm also going to kind of twist it together to make this clay more swirled. After that, I'm going to break the clay up into 2 even sections, and with each section I'm going to start to roll it out so that I could start to make the lollipop. Once I feel like the clay is evenly rolled out, I'm going to start to make a spiral shape, and I'm going to get this cake pop stick that I cut in half and I'm going to stick it into the clay to finish my lollipop. And after I finished my first lollipop, I'm going to start making my second lollipop. And now it's time to assemble our ice cream sundae. So to get started, I got both slimes, I put them in a container and I'm going to swirl them together and mix them just a little bit. Next, I'm going to get this adorable ice cream container, and I'm going to get this ice cream scoop, and I'm going to start scooping my slime into the ice cream container. As you guys can see, it looks so real. This actually looks like cotton candy ice cream. I cannot believe it's actually slime. It's just making me hungry looking at it. I cannot believe this is slime because this slime is a cloud slime. It looks more realistic and more like ice cream. Again, this looks so realistic. It looks just like cotton candy ice cream. I cannot believe it. So next I'm going to put our whipped cream topping on top of the slime along with our 2 lollipops that we made. I'm just going to stick them on the sides of the whipped cream. So right here I'm trying to put some sprinkles on top of our slime, but as you can see most of them are falling off, but that's okay, at least some of them made it onto the slime. And now for the part of the video that you all have been waiting for, the part where I destroy our ice cream sundae slime. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers and I cannot believe it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!